Hello friends, let me show you how to create this abstract effect in Photoshop. First, just create a new file, then we will select the resolution 1920 into 1080. That is fine. Okay, just unlock the layer. Next, head on to the brush tool. The hardness will be 0%. Great. Color is black color is fine. Now check the brush size. This one looking fine for me. You can draw any pattern whichever you like, so I'm just doing any pattern. It's like this, it's fine. Okay, our next step is head on to filter and select distort and this polar coordinates. So in polar coordinates, just make sure to select the polar to rectangular. Click on this, hit OK. As you can see, the design is not looking so much good, so just we can give another try. Same thing, go to distort, then polar coordinates, polar to rectangular. Okay, just do it until you are not satisfied with your design. Polar coordinates again. Okay, I think so one more try we can give it. Okay, this one is looking fine for me. Just we can rotate it somewhat like this, and we can adjust according to the canvas so that okay, this one is looking fine. So now we have to add the gradient, so just move to the effect and we'll select the gradient map from here. As you can see, there are numerous maps here. You can check all of them. Let me just check one with okay, blue. No. You can add whichever you like, or you can change according to your needs or your color. Okay, yep, this is fine for me. That's great. So our design is ready. So now for more perfection we can add a noise. Go to noise, add noise, and check. I think so this will be 2.5. we can keep. Yes, so our design is ready. You can add some text if you want. For more videos, hit like, share and subscribe.